Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to turn your side hustle into a thriving full-time business. In today's video, we'll delve into the crucial role that financial literacy and practical money management play in this journey. By the end of this video, you'll gain valuable insights on how to scale your side hustle for financial growth and independence, ultimately paving the way for a successful transition to a full-time business. Many of us start side hustles to pursue our passions, supplement our income, or simply explore new opportunities. However, what sets apart those who successfully turn their side hustles into full-time businesses is a solid understanding of financial principles. By mastering financial literacy and adopting effective money management strategies, you can take your side hustle to the next level and achieve financial freedom. Scaling your side hustle is not just about making more money, it's about creating a sustainable and profitable business that supports your lifestyle and long-term goals. We'll show you how to identify growth opportunities, optimize your resources, and maximize your profits to build a business that thrives in the long run. Transitioning from a side hustle to a full-time business is a transformative journey that holds immense empowering potential. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own schedule, and pursuing your passion while making a living out of it. This video will inspire you to take the leap and turn your side hustle dreams into a reality. Stay tuned for practical tips, real-life examples, and actionable advice to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Assessing your side hustle, evaluating potential for expansion. Now that you've embarked on your side hustle journey, it's time to assess its potential for growth and transformation into a full-time business. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of evaluating your side hustle's scalability and uncovering opportunities for expansion. When assessing the scalability of your side hustle, consider key factors such as market demand, competition, scalability, and profitability. Is there a growing demand for your products or services? Are there untapped market segments you can target? Analyzing these factors will help you determine the viability of scaling your side hustle into a full-fledged business. To inspire you, we'll showcase examples of successful side hustles that have evolved into thriving businesses. From Etsy shops that turned into global brands to freelance writing gigs that led to full-service agencies, these success stories demonstrate the transformative power of scaling a side hustle. One crucial aspect to evaluate is your side hustle's profitability. Are you generating consistent revenue? Are your expenses manageable? And is there room for growth? By analyzing your financial performance and identifying areas for improvement, you can lay the foundation for a sustainable and profitable business. Lastly, don't overlook market demand. Conduct market research, gather feedback from customers, and stay attuned to industry trends to ensure that there is a viable market for your products or services. Understanding your target audience and their needs will guide your expansion strategy and help you position your business for success. By assessing these key factors and leveraging insights from successful case studies, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions about scaling your side hustle and embarking on the path to full-time entrepreneurship. Stay tuned for practical tips on how to take your side hustle to the next level and achieve your business goals. Developing a growth strategy, scaling your side hustle effectively. As you aspire to elevate your side hustle into a full-time business, developing a strategic growth plan is essential for sustainable expansion. In this section, we'll walk you through the steps involved in creating a strategic roadmap to scale your side hustle effectively and achieve long-term success. Setting clear goals and milestones is the cornerstone of any successful growth strategy. Define what success looks like for your business, whether it's increasing revenue, expanding your customer base, or launching new products or services. By establishing measurable objectives and timelines, you can track your progress and stay focused on achieving your growth targets. Diversifying income streams and expanding your side hustle's reach are key tactics to fuel growth. Explore new revenue opportunities, such as offering complementary products or services, collaborating with other businesses, or tapping into different market segments. By diversifying your income sources, you can mitigate risks and create a more resilient business model. Prioritizing financial stability and long-term sustainability is paramount in your growth strategy. Ensure that your business operations are financially sound, with a focus on managing cash flow, controlling expenses, and reinvesting profits wisely. By maintaining a strong financial foundation, you can weather challenges and position your business for sustainable growth over time. By following these steps and incorporating tips on goal setting, income diversification, and financial stability, you'll be well equipped to scale your side hustle effectively and pave the way for a successful transition to a full-time business. Stay tuned for actionable insights and practical advice to guide you on your entrepreneurial journey towards growth and prosperity. Financial management tips: navigating the transition to full-time business. As you make the leap from side hustle to full-time business, mastering financial management is crucial for long-term success. In this section, we'll share practical advice on effectively managing your finances during this transition period, setting you up for sustainable growth and prosperity. Budgeting techniques play a pivotal role in maintaining financial stability and planning for growth. Create a detailed budget that outlines your income streams, expenses, and projected revenue. By tracking your financial inflows and outflows, you can identify areas for cost savings, allocate resources strategically, and make informed decisions to drive your business forward. Saving for emergencies and investing in business growth are essential components of a sound financial strategy. Build an emergency fund to cushion against unexpected expenses or fluctuations in revenue, providing a financial safety net for your business. Additionally, allocate funds towards business development initiatives, such as marketing campaigns, product enhancements, or expanding your team, to fuel sustainable growth and innovation. Separating personal and business finances is a fundamental practice for effective money management. Open a dedicated business bank account, obtain a business credit card, and maintain clear distinctions between your personal and business expenses. By keeping your finances separate, you can streamline accounting processes, track business performance accurately, and ensure compliance with tax regulations. By implementing these financial management tips and embracing a proactive approach to money management, you'll be well equipped to navigate the transition from side hustle to full-time business with confidence and financial acumen. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to optimize your financial health and drive your business towards long-term success. Marketing and branding strategies: elevating your side hustle's visibility. In the competitive landscape of entrepreneurship, effective marketing and branding are essential tools for propelling your side hustle's growth and expanding your customer base. In this section, we'll delve into strategic tactics to enhance your brand presence, attract a larger audience, and foster customer loyalty for sustained success. Branding plays a pivotal role in shaping your business's identity and setting it apart from competitors. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects your values, mission, and unique selling proposition. Consistent branding across your website, social media profiles, and marketing materials helps establish credibility, build trust with customers, and create a memorable brand experience. Leveraging social media and digital marketing channels is key to increasing your side hustle's visibility and reaching a broader audience. Engage with your target market on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, sharing compelling content, showcasing your products or services, and interacting with followers to build a loyal community. Utilize targeted advertising, influencer partnerships, and email marketing campaigns to drive traffic to your business and generate leads. Building a strong brand reputation and fostering customer loyalty are essential for long-term success. Deliver exceptional customer service, solicit feedback from customers, and prioritize their needs to cultivate a loyal customer base. Encourage customer reviews, testimonials, and referrals to amplify your brand's credibility and attract new business through word-of-mouth marketing. By implementing these marketing and branding strategies, you can elevate your side hustle's visibility, engage with a larger audience, and cultivate lasting relationships with customers. Stay tuned for more insights and actionable tips to enhance your brand presence and drive business growth in the digital age. Scaling operations and hiring, building a strong foundation for growth. As your side hustle evolves into a full-time business, scaling operations and hiring the right team are critical steps in supporting its growth and ensuring long-term success. In this section, we'll explore the process of expanding your business infrastructure, delegating tasks effectively, and building a cohesive team to drive your business forward. Delegating tasks and expanding your business infrastructure are essential for scaling operations efficiently. Identify areas where you can streamline processes, automate repetitive tasks, and delegate responsibilities to team members. By freeing up your time to focus on strategic initiatives and high-impact projects, you can accelerate growth and drive innovation within your business. Hiring the right talent is key to building a cohesive team that can support your business's expansion. Seek individuals who align with your company culture, possess the necessary skills and experience, and demonstrate a strong work ethic and commitment to your business's success. Invest in training and development programs to nurture talent, foster collaboration, and empower your team to excel in their roles. Maintaining quality standards while scaling operations is paramount to preserving your brand reputation and customer satisfaction. As you grow, prioritize quality control measures, monitor performance metrics, and seek feedback from customers to ensure that your products or services meet or exceed expectations. Consistency in delivering high-quality offerings is essential for building trust and loyalty among your customer base. By following these guidelines and focusing on scaling operations strategically, hiring the right talent, and upholding quality standards, you can establish a strong foundation for growth and position your business for long-term success. Stay tuned for more insights and best practices to guide you through the process of scaling your operations and expanding your team effectively. In this video, we've covered essential strategies and insights to help you transform your side hustle into a successful full-time business. As you embark on this entrepreneurial journey, remember the key points discussed and take action towards realizing your business goals. Financial literacy and strategic planning are foundational pillars for business growth. By mastering financial principles, setting clear goals, and developing a strategic roadmap, you can navigate the complexities of entrepreneurship with confidence and drive your business towards success. Perseverance and continuous learning are invaluable traits in the entrepreneurial landscape. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, stay resilient in the face of setbacks, and commit to lifelong learning to adapt to evolving market trends and seize new opportunities for innovation and expansion. Now is the time to take action and propel your side hustle to new heights. Implement the strategies and tips shared in this video, leverage your strengths, and overcome obstacles with determination and resilience. Your entrepreneurial journey is a marathon, not a sprint, so stay focused on your vision and keep pushing forward towards your goals. Thank you for watching, and here's to your entrepreneurial success.